Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to troubleshoot and fix a very common issue found in the Redmi A1 smartphone, the automatic restarting problem. If your phone keeps restarting again and again by itself, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, try charging the phone and booting it normally. If the phone turns on and then restarts within a few seconds or minutes, it is likely a hardware-related issue, not just a software bug. In many cases, the problem is related to the battery management system, BMS, fuse, shorting in the board, or issues with the power IC. Use opening tool to gently lift and remove the back panel. Be careful around the corners. Once opened, the internal components of the phone will be visible. Now, unscrew all the screws holding the motherboard cover. Keep the screws organized as they are different sizes. Now carefully disconnect the battery connector. One of the most common causes of automatic restarting in this model is a damaged or shorted BMS fuse on the battery. If the fuse is blown, you have two options. Replace the fuse if you have a matching spare. Or, make a jumper connection using a thin copper wire to bypass the blown fuse. After doing the jumper, make sure to apply UV mask or insulation to prevent short circuits. Warning important, a jumper should only be done if you are confident that the battery and board have no other shorting or power IC issues. Otherwise, bypassing protection can be risky. Now, reassemble the phone by reconnecting all flex cables. Now power on the phone and wait. If the phone stays on for a few minutes without restarting, then your repair is successful. You can test by using the phone for a few minutes, open apps, check network, and battery drain. If it's stable, the issue is resolved. Party popper conclusion. So that's it. Friends, the Redmi A1 automatic restarting issue was fixed by checking and repairing the battery BMS fuse. This is a common issue and can be solved with proper inspection and basic tools. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more smartphone repair guides. Also, share this video with friends who face similar issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.